Hello everyone, welcome to AKILA'S Science World. Today we are going to learn about something you see all around you, the three states of matter. Do you know what matter is? Yes, matter is anything that has weight and takes up space. Everything around you, the air you breathe, the water we drink, the chair we sit on, all are made up of matter. Now, matter can exist in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. In solid, molecules are very close together and tightly packed. You can compare them with people standing very close in a tight crowd. They can only vibrate in place, so solid have a fixed shape. Liquid. In liquid, molecules are close but not tightly packed. You can compare them with people moving around slowly in a half-filled hall. They can slide past each other, so liquids flow and take the shape of the container. Here, molecules can slide past each other. Gas. Molecules are very far apart and move freely in all directions. You can compare them people running freely in a big playground. That's why gases spread out to fill the whole space available. Thank you.